The honorable judges and audiences, dear my friends who participate in the speech contest, Om Swastiastu. First of all, I'd like to thank the Almighty God. It is because of Him I'm able to participate in the speech contest. And also, I'd like to thank the judges committee and my school for giving me this special opportunity to compete in this contest. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Niko Mangtisha. I'm from Ratnawarta Vocational School and I'm standing here to deliver my speech. Honestly, I feel excited to participate in the speech contest, but I'm not here to tell you about what I'm feeling because I'm going to tell you about know more about drugs. Now before I start, I want to ask you some questions. Do you have social media? Of course you have. So when you scroll through your social media, have you ever heard news about the young generation taking drugs? Very ironic, isn't it? How can something like this happen to Indonesia's young generation? Now, let me tell you. In Indonesia, drugs are very easy to spread among the young generation because of promiscuity in their environment. This is very dangerous for young generation because they are the next generation of the Indonesia. In this topic, I will explain the meaning of drugs, the dangers of drugs for the young generation, and how to be a great young generation without drugs. Ladies and gentlemen, what is drug or narcotics actually? Drug or narcotics are artificial substances or derived from plants that have hallucinatory effect, reduce consciousness, and cause addiction. According to the narcotic law, narcotics are divided into three groups based on the risks of dependence. Namely, narcotic class 1, such as marijuana, are very dangerous if consumed because they can cause very high addiction. Narcotic class 2, such as morphine and alpha-prodina, are used for treatment but according to a doctor's prescription. This type of drug can also be addictive. And narcotic class 3 have a friendly mild risk of dependence and are widely used for treatment and therapy. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know there are also types of drugs that can be obtained naturally, but there are also those made through chemical processes. If based on the material of manufacture, the type of narcotics include, the first is synthetic type narcotics. This type is obtained from a complicated processing process and is often for use medicinal and research purposes. Examples of synthetic narcotics such as amphetamine, methadone, and so on. Second, namely semi-synthetic narcotics. Processing using the main ingredient in the form of natural narcotics, which is then isolated by extraction or using other processes. Examples are morphine, heroin, and others. The third is natural type of narcotics. Examples of natural narcotics such as marijuana and coca. This cannot be used as medicine because it has a strong content and is very dangerous for health. Then, what are the dangers of drugs for the young generation? Ladies and gentlemen, the cause of young generation who use drugs can come from their social environment, such as friends with drug user and lack of attention from parents. Drugs used in the young generation will cause them to experience changes in attitude, personality, decreased discipline, they will be lazy and don't care about their health, they become emotional and hallucinate, excessive fear, and also they will commit crimes just by to drugs. Ladies and gentlemen, we as the young generation must know how to be a great young generation without drugs. So there are some things we can do to avoid drugs. First, we can participate in socializing about drugs so that we know what the dangers of drugs are for someone. Second, we must be good at choosing friends in the association. Third, if there is a problem that cannot be solved by ourselves, we can ask parents or teacher for help. And last but not least, we must be a young generation who is superior, confident, and never comparing ourselves with others so as not to feel inferior. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about being a great young generation. Let's fight and stop drugs together from now on. So don't ever try drugs because drugs can kill you. And remember, the cool young generation is the young generation without drugs. That's all for my speech. I hope it will be useful to all of us. I do apologize if there were any mistakes on my speech. Thank you for your kind attention. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om.